everyone, welcome to Life Lab's tutorial on making corn tortillas. We'll be using masa, maseca, and other tools to make sure our tortillas taste just right. To get ready, the first thing you want to do is to purchase corn from your local grocery store. Here we have Annalie purchasing some fresh corn kernels from our local grocery. Next, you're going to want to purchase lime, which will help in the nixtamalization process. After that, you'll combine all the things together, the corn, the water, the lime, and you'll cook that for about 2-3 hours. After that, you'll take the corn and you'll rinse it. You'll wash it off in a bowl and take a look and see if there are any eyes. And eyes are going to be little brown tops on the part of the corn. They'll be pretty hard. You'll remove those if they're hard, and you'll toss those in one bowl and toss the clean corn kernel into another bowl. After that, you can start using things like a motor and pestle to crush your corn into masa. Or you can use a hand grinder like Annalie is using here. She's also using a stopper at the top to push the corn through. You can also use a food processor. So here we see some fresh ground masa, and we also see the process of John turning the corn kernel into masa using the food processor. So he presses the food processor, he waits for it to get all ground up. From there, you can grab a Ziploc bag, a tortilla press, and a pin to make a protectant for your tortilla press. So what we see John doing here is tracing the circumference of the tortilla press, and now he's going to grab a pair of scissors and cut what he just traced. After that, you can place the protectant onto the press, get a roll of masa, roll it into a ball, and press it. After you press it, be sure to peel the plastic off of the tortilla. Let's see that again. So this is a different press with a different type of protectant, and as you can see, we're pressing the same. We press. After we press, we open up the tortilla press. We peel the first layer of plastic off, place the tortilla on the hand, and peel the plastic away from the tortilla. After that, get a trusted friend to flip some tortillas for you. Make sure that they're brown on both sides. Now it's time to enjoy. Have it with cheese and butter, squash flowers and onion, beans and salsa, beans and cheese, or butter and jam. Enjoy! If you liked what you saw in this video, remember to like and subscribe.